I'm Andrew Stiles with KRM Custom Homes. Today I'm out here with Mark Eichinger. We're at one of our spec homes going up in Urbandale, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the insulation that goes into our homes and why the insulation that is going into our home is beneficial to you as a homeowner. Mark, so how long have you guys been in the insulation industry?
We've been in business for about 16 years, specializing in total home comfort and insulation.
As far as the insulation that we're doing in this home, it's a blow-in system around the entire home. We also do a couple of special things like our 2x6 wall and then foaming in the truss heels and the box sills in the home. Tell us a little bit about why those are beneficial to a homeowner.
Thanks, those are great questions. It's really beneficial from a total home comfort standpoint with air infiltration. It's a denser product. We get a really nice tight seal in the home. The better R value will help with your heating and cooling bills. It just makes for a more comfortable house in general.
So in all of our KRM homes, a couple of things that you'll see featured in any of our KRM homes is going to be a 2x6 construction. You'll also see blown-in insulation around all the exterior perimeter walls of the home, batted insulation in the garage. All of the truss heels and box sills will all be spray foamed in with a closed cell foam. You'll also see an energy complete gasket around all the interior walls of your home. So that way when the drywall is put up on the walls, everything is sealed. You don't have any air transfer between your main floor and your attic or other floors. All right, Mark, so now that we have this house framed up with 2x6 construction, your guys kind of take it from there. What do you guys do once everything's framed up? How do you guys start your insulation process, and what do you do to get it to the end?
Well, first of all, we'll start with caulking and foaming all the double studs, all the top and bottom plates, any kind of air infiltration areas where there's wire holes going outside. Make sure you've got a really tight envelope of the house. From there, we'll hang the netting on the walls. It's a breathable netting, so when we blow the fiberglass in, all the air escapes. That keeps it to be a really nice, dense product. It flows behind all the electrical boxes, around all the plumbing, and it comes out all the way to the face of the stud, so you don't have any voids like you can potentially get with a traditional fiberglass bat. From there, the guys will make sure that everything is done in the entire house that way. We'll go around to the rim joists. We'll spray some foam on the rim joists, help keep those nice and tight from an air sealing standpoint. So we'll also spray foam the box sills, which will create a really nice tight seal. We do that same process then up in the eaves, up where we put the baffles in that help maintain attic ventilation. This will keep you from having frost lines in the wintertime, which is also a concern, especially in the climates that we live in where there's a lot of wind, a lot of really cold, moist air. We also apply a foam gasket sealant at the top of all the wall plates, both on the exterior and the interior. That helps create a really nice seal where all the drywall meets the studs. That way on super windy days, you got a much tighter, more comfortable home.
Also on all of our KRM homes, we also insulate all the garages. So what kind of insulation do you put in all of our garages?
We put typical fiberglass blanket insulation in the garages. We also blow insulation into the attics. That's loose fill insulation. This does help with overall comfort. You can pull a nice hot car into the garage in the wintertime. You go out there in the morning, it's not super cold. It'll help.
If one of our KRM or Tanzanite homes would be a fit for you, please give us a call or visit our website.